curious about optimizing package management on Debian-based Linux systems like Ubuntu? Then enter dpkg or Debian package, a powerful low-level package manager. Beyond basic operations like installing and removing packages, dpkg efficiently handles dependencies. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the detailed process of using the dpkg command to remove a package along with its dependencies. So let's begin the journey, and do check the description for commands and links. You can use dpkg for both package removal and unused dependencies. For a complete removal, dpkg can be used to purge the package, but you can also remove a package keeping its dependencies intact. Let's explore 4 options to remove a package and dependencies with dpkg, and I will use the VLC package for all the examples. Suppose I want to remove the package VLC that already existed on my system. So to find the VLC package, type sudo dpkg-l pipe grep VLC and hit enter. So yes, I have found the package VLC. Now to remove the VLC package with its unnecessary dependencies, enter the command sudo dpkg-r VLC and hit enter. And the VLC package with its unrequired dependencies has been removed. To get complete uninstallation of a package, purging the package with dpkg is the most feasible way. It means removing not only a package but also its dependencies and configuration files. Hence, to purge a package, run the command sudo dpkg-P and the package name VLC and hit on the enter button. You can also use --purge instead of the capital P. And you can see all the configuration files and dependencies of VLC package has been deleted. You also can remove a package without dependencies with dpkg package manager by disabling package signature verification. For that, enter the command sudo dpkg-no-debsig-r VLC and hit enter. And look, the VLC package is removed, but the dependency is in the Linux system. Imagine an issue has arisen during package removal. Then this process will not ask for permission to remove a package and dependencies. Rather, it automatically removes the package by resolving the created issue. So to remove a package forcefully, type sudo dpkg-remove-force-depends VLC. And finally, the VLC package has been removed after resolving the dependency issues. To sum up, this guide empowers you to efficiently remove packages and dependencies using the dpkg manager in Debian-based systems. With a focus on 4 practical cases involving the VLC package, you now have versatile tools to handle any package removal. Thank you for watching.